The function test of MELAcare checks that the lids and their supply channels are operating correctly. If several lids are used, the function test must be performed with each lid. First, please remove the lid. Then, position the lower part of the measuring device, the measuring cup, so that the hollow center is facing upwards. Fill the measuring cup with approximately 200 milliliters of feed water, up to the upper edge of the fill level indicator. Now, pour the water from the measuring cup into the washing chamber. Then, position the lower part of the measuring device so that the word "top" is visible and faces the rear panel of the device. Insert the lower part of the measuring device into the washing chamber. Make sure that it is correctly aligned to ensure that the program runs without errors. Now place the upper part of the measuring device, the funnel, onto the adapters in the lid. The orientation of the funnel is not relevant. The funnel engages with an audible and noticeable click. Then, place the lid back on the device and press it down so that it seals properly. Now, start the function test program. In the program view, press Next and then Start. The function test begins. During the test, a defined amount of water is fed into each measuring cylinder in the lower part of the measuring device. Wait until the program has been completed. The result of the program run is then displayed. Please remove the lid again. Check whether the water reaches the upper edge of all fill level indicators. Assess the test result and document it on the display. If the fill level is too low, repeat the function test. If the problem persists, please contact your specialist dealer or technical service. To detach the upper part from the lid, press the release tabs on the right and left-hand sides simultaneously. Then, carefully pull the upper part off the adapters on the lid.